Hi, I'm Shira from Elite, and today I'm proud to present 20 to 24 Alexandra Street in Clifton Beach, one of the best and most prestigious suburbs in Cairns. This house has 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, ample parking, award-winning Infinity Magna Pool and Spa with solar heat pump to keep the temperature perfect all year round. All rooms are en suite and oversized, enjoying the beautiful views. The sea breezes are cool and refreshing all year round. Upstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms. The views from the top 2 bedrooms are absolutely breathtaking. There's a separate living quarter and master. Thank you, and give me a call to book your private inspection.